everyone, it's Hiccups. Peppa and Joe, Mommy and Daddy are having breakfast. It is lovely sunny day and Peppa and Joe can't wait to go into the garden to play. Mommy, please can we go out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. So don't drink your juice too quickly. Joe drank his juice too quickly and now he has hiccups. Can we go out to play now, Mommy? No, we do. What has hiccups? But Joe Hiccups has gone. Mommy, couldn't they Joe? Okay, alright. You can go out and play, but look after Joe. When Joe loves playing in the garden, so I am to hold the ball. In then you have to catch it. So please stopping hiccuping. So now you throw the ball to me, and I have to catch it. So, oh dear, Joe Hiccups are stopping the game. So I know how to call hiccups. You have to do what I say. Rub the top of the head and drop the tummy. Good, now the hiccup has gone. Taco has found hiccup doesn't seem to have worked. So you have done it wrong. I know a better way to call hiccups. First jump up and down, 3 times on one leg. Now wave your arm and up and down and stick your toe out. And now close your eyes and turn around quickly 3 times. Peppa knew Cole hasn't walked, and the Joe still has hiccups. I know to call hiccups, the ill piggy must be given a shock. So I am going to scare you, but you must remember it's only a game and it will stop your hiccups. Remember this is does pretend scary. Wow, man! But you must say so broken with Joe. He always little. Sorry, Mommy. I was just trying to stop Joe Hiccups. Joe Hiccups has gone. Here comes Daddy Pig with your breakfast of food. So if you going to do quickly, you got hiccups again. I'm not little or so. I can drink juice as quickly as I want to.